Part 1. What is English shadowing? Hi everyone! Welcome to Shadowing English with Lisa and Ben. I'm Lisa, your pronunciation buddy.
And I'm Ben, your friendly English coach. So Lisa, what's this shadowing thing we keep hearing about?
Great question, Ben. Shadowing means listening to English and speaking at the same time as the speaker. It's like being their shadow.
Oh, so you copy their voice, their rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. Almost like singing along.
Exactly. The goal isn't just to repeat words, it's to connect your ears with your mouth. That's how you build fluency.
Let's give an example. Say I listen to, "How are you today?" and I repeat it right after. "How are you today?"
Perfect. Try not to pause too much. The idea is to stay close to the rhythm.
So Lisa, why is shadowing so powerful?
Because it trains your mouth muscles and listening skills together. Many learners only read, but shadowing helps you sound natural.
Let's teach some key words. First, rhythm. It means the sound pattern of how words flow in speech.
Second, intonation. That's the up and down sound of your voice, like music in language.
And third, fluency. It means speaking smoothly and easily without stopping too much.
Nice.
So friends, grab your earphones, listen to an English clip, and start shadowing.
Let's do a quick recap. Today you learned what shadowing is, how it helps, and 3 new words: rhythm, intonation, and fluency. If you like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more lessons.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever tried English shadowing before?
See you in Part 2, how to shadow like a native speaker. Bye!